Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of Hyiplab 5.7 latest version script. So viewers, this is the completely latest version of Hyiplab and you will get 88 different templates in this script, or if you want us to build the complete website for you, we will build the complete website for you as well. So here you will get the 8 different templates and you can change the templates from admin panel, as it has the admin panel from where you can completely control this hype investment website. So in this video I'm going to give you the complete overview of this website, and be with us and watch this video till the end. And also like the video and subscribe to our channel Script Smasher. And viewers, if you want to buy this source code from us, or if you want us to build this complete website for you, contact us on WhatsApp. Both WhatsApp and Telegram links are in description of this video. You can contact us and we will build what you want. So now, without wasting much more time, let's start our video. So first of all, you can look at its amazing homepage. Here you can see the title of this homepage. Over here you can select different percentages, logo, etc. Everything is changeable from admin panel. And here you can see investment plan. So here user can see all investment plans. First of all, currently I have made one demo basic plan. Here user will get 100% daily, 100% of investment. Like if I invest $100, I'll get $200 overall. So this plan duration, percentage, capital reinvest, compounding interest, and different features are here. And user can come and invest in plans. So first of all, user have to create account and then user can invest in this plan. And this is completely mobile friendly website. Mobile users and laptop users both can easily use this website. It's completely responsive source code. Here you can change all this from admin panel. You can list about your website, everything. And basically this is a new template of Hyiplab, and we can change the templates from admin panel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change the templates as well. Here you can list all these things. Everything, each and everything that is on the website is changeable, and you can easily change them from admin panel. You don't need any coding knowledge to change them or control this website. And here user can see top investor deposits, etc. Everything will be reflected here. And this FAQ section, you can also list the blogs on this website. And this is a footer section. You can insert your social media and other pages link. And if user want to visit these pages separately, user can visit all these pages separately as well, like plan page, about page, blog page. If user want to visit them separately, user can visit them just in a single click. And here currently it has only one language, but we can make as many as languages from admin panel. So languages are also changeable. You can insert your own country language as well from admin panel. Even currency, language, all these things, images, etc., all changeable. So you don't need to worry about anything. If you are going to buy from us, you will get the complete support as well, so you don't need to worry about anything. Here you can see that I have listed it on my subdomain, so I can give you the demo, so you can verify it from here. So there are two buttons. One is for login and another is for register. So if you want to register account, so if you're new to this website, you can register with Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or you can just simply create account by filling the simple details. Now I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in. So here you can log in with Google, Facebook, but I already have accounts here. So I'll just log in with my old account. So here I have to fill my username and password. Then when I click on login, it will redirect me to user dashboard. So this is the amazing dashboard of this website. So here viewers, first of all, you can see here is a dashboard. On dashboard you can see the notifications. Admin can send user notifications. Here you can see your total deposit on the website, total interest balance, total investments, total deposits, withdrawal, referral earning, etc. And here you can see all your transaction list over here. So I just created account, so you can see all your transactions. Here you can see your profile details, generate support ticket, and log out. And here we can change this from admin panel as well, like main email of for support. And here are the investment plan sections. You can view the plans. This is our demo basic plan. So if I want to invest in this plan, so just click on it, pay via. You can pay via deposit balance. If you want compounding interest or not, schedule, invest now. And when I click on yes, it will invest. Our amount is invested into plan. So the plan amount was like $100. So our $100 are invested in this plan. So after 7 days, we will get $200. So let me show you in dashboard. So here it will show you total invest of $100. So it will be reflected over here on your dashboard. And here you can see all your schedule plans. Currently we don't have any schedule plans. So yeah, if you go to my investment, so you can see your investment as well. Like in my investment, you can see all your investment. You can withdraw money after like your profit will be added. So here you can see a duration after which your profit will be added. Like daily it will add like some profit to our account. Here is finance section, so you can transfer your balance from one account to another. So you can transfer balance from one wallet to another or one account to another. You can withdraw your money here. Sorry. So here is a deposit option. So if user want to deposit money, user can deposit money from here. Currently, I have only created the like manual gateway. But if you want to use the deposit automatic payment deposit gateways, you can use them from admin panel. Just enter your details. Currently, I just made the demo gateway. So here I have entered the demo details and user can pay now. And when admin will approve the request of user, so in manual gateway, this is how our payment will be approved. And similar is the case for withdrawal. Currently I haven't created any withdraw gateway, but we can create it from admin panel. And be with us and watch this video till the end, and I'm gonna guide you completely about how you can make all these things. I'm gonna guide you step by step about everything. So don't worry about anything, just watch this video till the end and you will completely understand how this website works and how we can control the site. Here you can see all your transactions. Here's a referral thing. So here you can copy your referral link and invite different people, and basically obviously you can earn money through referrals as well. And this is a referral link, this is account detail like profile settings, 2FA support ticket, etc. All of them are here. So this was all about the user panel of this website. Now we will go to the admin panel of this website and I will show you how you can completely manage this website from admin panel. So here I'll type the link and type /admin after link. So it will redirect me to the admin login page. Now here I have to enter the admin credentials so we can log into the admin panel. So here I'll enter my admin credentials and both enter click login, and you can see that we have successfully logged into our website and it's completely newly created website. You can see there is only one user. Here you can see Hyiplab 5.7. It's the latest version available. And you can see all your deposits, pending deposit, rejected deposit, total withdrawal, pending withdrawals, total investment, total interest, active investments, etc. You can see graph and pie charts of your investments. And you can completely manage this website directly from this admin panel. You don't need any coding knowledge. Here you will see all the notification of user investments and deposits. So here, this was all about the dashboard of this website. Here in investment report, we admin can see the complete investment report of the website. Here you can change the dates and years, etc. Here you can view the complete investment report. Here, so when user request a deposit, the request will come here, and admin can approve it or reject it. And here, admin can see the existing approved and all deposit related things over here. Same is the case for withdrawal. You can approve your withdrawal request from here, and you can see all existing withdrawals and all withdrawals, etc. details in this section. Here, admin can completely manage all the users on the website. So currently we have only one user, so we can go to details and we can see the balance of user, interest, wallet, deposit, investments. Here we can add balance to user account. We can subtract balance from user account at any time we want. So here we can add and we can subtract balance from user account. We can log in as user, ban the user, change the detail of user, verify their KYCs, etc. from this section. And similarly, all of these are user related tasks. We can send them all notifications as well. Here's support ticket. So admin can view the support tickets like here. When I click here, so when any user generate a support ticket, so the ticket will came here and we can approve, we can communicate with the user. So this is how we can use the support tickets or explore them. In report section, we can see the transaction history, login history, notification, invest history of all the users on the website. And here is the system configuration. As you can see, it is the latest version of Hyiplab 5.7. In general settings, basically we can change the name of website. So I'll change it to script SM, script smasher. You can change the currency of this website to INR, PKR, and you can use this in any of your local currency. Either you are from any country, you can just simply change the currency and symbol, and your currency will be changed. You can change the site colors, etc., balance transfer. Here you can change all these things from here, and like everything is changeable. You don't need to worry about anything. Just click on submit and update this. Here from logo and favicon, you can change the logo of this website. Just select the logo and you can update your logo. Each and everything is updatable or changeable from admin panel. It means you don't need any coding knowledge or any other thing to control it. And viewers, if you want to buy this website from us, or if you want to buy only source code of this website, you can contact us and you can buy it from us, and we will basically provide you complete support with it, so you don't need to worry about anything. In system configuration, here you can turn on of user registration bonus, balance transfer, withdrawals on holiday, force SSL, KYC verifications. You can turn them on off, email verifications, notification, mobile verifications, etc. Everything like pool options, stacking options are also available. You can turn them on off from here. You can turn on off anything at any time. So here you can see that stakings are also available, so you can create the staking plan from here. Click on add new and you can create staking plan and pool plans. Similarly, here from manage pool plan, you can make the pool plans from here, simply like same like staking. And this is how you can make the pool plans. Here in plan management, so currently let's go to manage plan, and there is only one plan, as I already showed you on the website. Now if you want to create a new plan, just enter the name of plan you want, and script some, uh, select the type like range plan or fixed plan you want, and enter the amount, percentage, interest percentage, time in hours. Like if you select hour, so here you can select repeat for 24 hours, so it's 1 day plan. Similarly, if you want for days, like for month, just go to hour and select day, and here you can select 30, so it will be 1 month plan. If you want it weekly, enter 7, it's like 7 days plan, means weekly plan. So this is how you can make the plan on your website, and you can edit the existing plan as well. So you can see this is the existing plan. You can edit this as well if you want. So it's very simple and easier to manage website. I don't think so this is much difficult. Here referral commission section. So here you can set up multiple levels of referral commission on deposit, invest, and interest commission. So suppose I want 3 level of commission. Click on generate on deposit, 5%, 3%, 2% on level 3, and click submit, and your commission has been created. Now when user will refer anyone on level 1, he will get 5% commission of that user's deposit. So this is how you can make the referral commissions on different like deposit, investments, etc. from here. Here you can set the user ranking, and you can set like bonuses to user. So here you can set ranking of user from here, and on like specific investment, like if user reached $10,000 in investment, so he will get this bonus. Like you can give bonus to user on some like gift. It's like gift like thing. You can give like give gift to your old user or the users with most investments or referrals. Similarly, there are promotional tools, holiday settings. You can turn on off interest or commission on holidays. So here you can turn them on off from here. Here, manage template, the most amazing option. As I told you, here you can see there are like 8 different templates available. Currently, we are using this template. But if you want to change the template, suppose I want to change it to Bitgold. So let me show you. This is how you can change the template. So you can see our template has been completely changed. Now this is our new template, and each template is mobile friendly. So if you want to change Neo Dark or Metro Hype, so you can change it to Neo Dark. So this is how you can change all the templates. It's very simple, easier method to change templates. You can change any template you want, and this is how you can change templates. Here are the notification settings. You can change email settings from payment gateway. Here, all of these automatic payment gateways are available. If you want to use auto gateway, like this is a Binance automatic gateway, just enter your Binance API, public API secret keys, and you can use the automatic gateway. Now, if you want to use the manual gateway, you can see I have made one manual gateway by filling these simple details. This is how you can make the manual gateway. So click on add new image, enter the name, currency, rate of that currency, enter the range, minimum, maximum deposit, range, charges, enter your deposit details, like if it's USDT, so enter your USDT, BEP20 or TRC20 address. There's a user data. From here you can add a place for screenshots, like file and file required, yes, yeah. So this is how basically you can make a manual payment gateway. Here are the withdrawal methods. From add new, you can easily make a withdrawal method. Same like you making the manual deposit gateway, you can make the withdrawal method. It's very simple, easier methods. And from SEO configuration, you can manage the SEO of your website directly from here. You can change the name, keyword, etc. You don't need to do external SEO. You can directly do SEO from here. And from manage front end, as I told you, each and everything that is on the website is editable and changeable. Now you have to click on about us. Suppose I want to edit about us section on the website, so I can easily edit each and everything that is on the about us section. Similarly, here's a banner content. So we are using this template currently. So here you can see we can see the banner, image, text, buttons, etc. Everything is changeable from here. Similarly, all those sections, contact us, policy, all those sections that are here are editable and changeable, and you can change them simply just in a single click. So it's a very simple and easy to manage website. And from manage pages, you can manage pages. From KYC settings, you can make the KYC forms. From social logins, you can manage your social login details of your social media, policy pages, maintenance mode, GDPR, cookie, and sitemap. So this was all about our video. In this video, I tried to guide you each and everything about. So now, if you want to purchase this website from us, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. And viewers, before ending the video, I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.